The GATE Academy welcomes you to the GATE Learning Center walkthrough video. What is GATE Learning Center? GATE Learning Center provides faculty to create and deliver content, monitor students' participation and assess students' performance. It includes features such as e-lectures, full-length practice tests, post-GATE guidance, subject-wise tests and sectional tests for the students. It also has the ability to use interactive features such as threaded discussions and chat to clear the doubts. Now, you are going to experience the student LMS walkthrough. Click on your internet browser and enter www.thegateacademy.com on the address bar. To access the LMS, click on the student console link on the top left corner as shown on the video. Enter the unique login credentials which has been shared with you after enrollment. Now, let's see the student dashboard. On the left panel, you can view the student's detail like profile picture, email ID, contact number, Facebook Connect and course start. Students can edit their password and details if required. You can find the leaderboard which shows top 10 rankers of your stream. In the middle section, you can view the active discussion threads related to GATE. Students can share their opinion and create new threads. In the right section, you can find the course features such as subjects, full-length tests, post-GATE guidance. On the extreme right, students can get the latest course updates as feeds. On the bottom of the dashboard, students can view the general notifications from their faculties and administration. Students can participate in the daily quiz puzzle. In the bottom right, students can plan their GATE preparation timeline. Students can also chat with the faculties and GATE aspirants. Let's view the course index. Student can select the subject to view the content. Now, student can view the page with videos, 40 sectional tests and discussions. Let's view the e-lecture video subject-wise.
So welcome to the second session of analog. So in the first session we saw about PN diodes. We saw that in the forward bias ID, ID is approximately I0 into e power.
Related subject videos are at the bottom of the page. Now let's see how the 8 full-length practice test helps. 8 full-length practice tests are the tests which will help you in the entire analysis, such as your strengths and weaknesses. Go through the rules before you start the quiz. Here comes the question part. On the right side of the window pane, you can access the question navigation system, which helps you to switch between the questions and you can plan your time. Once you have taken your test, you will get your analysis, such as your score, average class score, highest and lowest score. Apart from your test analysis, you will also get to know your strengths and weaknesses. Click here to view the answers and solutions. Here comes the 40 sectional tests. 40 sectional test helps you in concept building. Analysis and performance report will be similar to 8 full-length practice tests. Thanks for viewing the LMS walkthrough video.